Nutrition and dietetics program is one of the fastest growing industries. Hospitals, clinics, schools, and the hospitality industry are always in need of trained food service professionals. Long Beach City College's Nutrition and Dietetics program prepares the students for entry-level jobs in 2 years or less. We are recognized by Association of Nutrition and Food Service Professionals as an approved training center for CDM certificate.
So one of the best things about this nutrition program at LBCC is, in addition to academic learning in the classroom, you get to learn in an actual field environment. As a first-year student, you get 150 hours working in a clinical site of your choice, whether it be a hospital or a community nutrition center. It just definitely gives you that experience and that foot in the door in the industry.
Many of our courses will transfer to a 4-year Nutrition and Dietetics program, especially at CSU system.
It's great for students that are interested in transferring and becoming a dietitian, but it's also great for anybody who's interested in learning more about food and really caring about their families.
Why come and take a cooking class? Well, first of all, it's a lot of fun. You get to work with your peers and your friends in a small group, hands-on with the food. You don't even need to be in our program. You don't need to be a nutrition scientist. Our cooking classes are for everyone.
Our faculty has either worked in the healthcare industry or is currently working in the healthcare nutrition industry, and it sets our students up for success.
Anybody who's interested in both food and nutrition, this is definitely the perfect program for them.